Okay, so how do we create something like this? Yeah, let's take a look here. Whoa, look at that, look at that. Okay, so to begin with, we start with obviously a circle. So let's go to Insert tab, choose Shape, and choose Circle over. So just click on it one time, and click here another time. Double click here, change it to depends on what you want, right? So I just put a 5 also can. Then here 5. Maybe you want something more. So we can change it to say 10. Would it be bigger than that? 10. I want something even bigger than that, so I just put it 15. And then how do we turn make it into center? We go to align, choose align center, align again, align middle. Well done. Then next thing is that we're going to draw some shape. So well, basically, how do I get a shape here? I say I go to insert shape, right click, choose add to quick access toolbar. So I go back to home. Let's go here and just choose a shape, any shape you like. And then I don't need an outline. I do just give it a different color. And here, change it to 0.01. So it becomes a very, very tiny line. And again, align, center, align, middle. Alright, and then we press Ctrl D to repeat this. Again, align left, sorry, align center, align middle. And now hold on the alternate key and also press the right arrow. The right arrow, yeah, so you can see that here. It's not changing, right? So let's just go here. And again, Ctrl D. I'm going to select the items, Ctrl D, so make a duplicate. Again, go to here, align, center, align, middle, alternate, right arrow key, one more time, 2 times, right? And then, oh yeah, I don't need so big, right? So let me just delete, maybe I just use this. Um, yeah. So basically, yeah, I only need 6 pieces. Um, okay. So now, what we do is that we're going to choose, yeah, highlight them all, and we go to shape format, merge shape, and then choose fragment. So then, we select piece by pieces. We may be able to select piece by piece. Can we do that? This is really big. Maybe I have, yeah, there is. Just that, I don't know why it doesn't work that way. So most likely it doesn't work this time. Let's just try again on new slide. Does it work? No, it doesn't. No, no, no. Okay, so let's go back to, I think there's a missing link there. Yeah, there is. Just bring it front. It doesn't have the line. See, that's why it's missing one piece. Nope, it does not work that way. What is missing? Oh, cool. You see, it's fragmented already. It just doesn't work this time. Now you can see that it's not easy. I just want to show you that it's not easy. Anyway, just try again. 115. But if you can see that now we can be much faster. No fill, and we'll draw another box shape. Okay, draw here. No fill, just maybe I use something more stronger. Anyway, I don't use this later on, right? Just that, yeah, I just use red, and here just put it to 0.1. Basically, I just want to create a line. Okay, a line. Oh yeah, I forgot. Go. Can we just do all together? Align slide, align middle. Oh yes, we can do 2 steps at a time. Okay. Okay. So, oh yeah, that's the thing. No wonder. Okay, so I'm selecting this. So basically, I want to do a 6 pieces, right? So 6 pieces. Somewhere here should be good. Now, Control D, double click. Again, align right, line middle. Was it like this? Or was it like this? Was it like... Yeah, that would be just great. Just one more, right? So if you 6 pieces, still need 3 line. Control G, align left, align middle, and again, maybe that would be just great. So now highlight them all, go to shape, merge, fragment. Oh, now I know why they use the green color. Oh, anyway, I'm done with that. Hold out Shift key, select piece by piece. We will change the color anyway. Control C, and then insert a new slide. Paste it here. Control G to group them. Control G. Again, you can double check whether they are in the middle. Alright, that's great. So now I can ungroup it first. Group, ungroup. So now I want to just choose each of these, change the color. Now I can just change, right? See that? This means that doesn't mean I must be using the same color, right? So go to here, gray. I gotta have the maybe somewhere here, something like the. Alright, maybe just that would be good. So now I'm gonna import some of my favorites. So I got some theme, right? So maybe I'll just start with this, with okay, I just put it here, paste it here, and I also have some here, big fat cat. Bet some of this, just too cute. Oh, I'm so cute about it, man. So cool. Oh yes, there is a very famous one. So I do have a lot of insect here. So if you can take a look here, so maybe here also. Go to here. There. All right. So let's put it here. Let's put it here, and you have this. They are the same. Let's put it here. So I can also duplicate this small one. Okay. So cool. So I gotta have this. Highlight them all together and press Ctrl G to group them again one more time. And oops, we should have a. How is it gonna group them all together? Yeah. Oh no, it's not yet group all. You can highlight all. didn't work that well. So right click, upload first. Let me just try again. Highlight all of them. Does it include everything? No, it's not. So you can see that that's why it's missing the few pieces. So you gotta select them. Okay, Control 3 to go bam. Okay. Okay, now it's great. Alright, so now what we do is that well, we slightly make a bit change, a bit more change. Alright. Okay, it's time to do some slides. So go to the animation, add animation, and just spin. Look at that, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Alright, so add animation there. So we gotta click on this. Timing, trigger, we repeat until next click. So trigger start at. So this is called a group. So go all this item they group together. It's called group 15. So click OK. So let's just try it out. So you see that it's spinning and then click, click, click. Doesn't stop. So how do you make it stop, right? So until the next slide. So to get it stop, you click the effect, add animations, and click appeal one more time. And over here, double click on this item here. I think that's about it, right? So should we just do that? Nope, it doesn't work. So what is missing? Let's just see. Do we have a trigger? Click. Start effect on click of this. Okay, maybe this one. Let's try it. Yeah. See? Stop. 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 Alright, so we are almost there. We just need to add one more simple arrow. Go here, change to red color. Here, change to red. Again, pick somewhere here, right in the middle. So we can use this to align center. Okay. Okay. And we are ready to go, right? Stop. 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 Alright, so now just a little bit more, we are good to go. What's the timing like? So what is this? This is the symbol here, emphasize spin. So we double click on this, change the timing. We're gonna go so very fast. I mean very fast. Look at that, that is very fast. Haha, click. Oh yes. Hey, what is that? What is that? Ah, you can use this to play with your kids, right? Very good. Very fun, easy. Yeah. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Aisha. Together we make learning fun.